Hello. Today, I am going to discuss the GVX 2430 CNC router developed by DOOSAN Machine Tools. Most battery trays consist of parts made from aluminum die castings or parts made from profiled aluminum sections that have been machined and welded. Various methods of machining are required by each manufacturer, and the demand for greater productivity is rising. Therefore, today, we are going to look at a new model, the GVX 2430 vertical router, which is suitable for the machining of battery pack trays and battery cases, which are critical components for electric vehicles, together with parts for large electronic displays and many other parts made from large thin plate material. The GVX 2430 has a table size of 3 meter by 2 meter and a maximum load capacity of 1,000 kilograms, making it suitable for machining large aluminum parts made from thin plate. And it also has a clearance width between columns of 2.4 meters and a distance from spindle nose to table of 64 centimeters. The machining of parts such as electric vehicle battery pack trays involves a large number of drilling and tapping operations, with high productivity being the most important requirement. To this end, we have applied a 12,000 RPM high-speed spindle developed to optimize acceleration-deceleration characteristics. A cam-type tool changer with 24 tool capacity is applied as standard, and productivity is increased by applying high-axis rapid feed rates to minimize non-cutting time. Many customers have pointed out the inconvenience resulting from the lack of an effective table splash guard cover in competitors' router machines, as well as the typically low capacity of the coolant supply. In order to resolve this issue, the GVX has been configured to minimize the splashing of cutting fluid by adopting a semi-cover as a standard feature. And a more stable coolant supply has been made possible by equipping the GVX with a large capacity 400 liters coolant tank. In view of the recently tightened environmental regulations, grease lubrication has also been adopted as a standard feature, while the control panel, air service unit, and cooling device have been installed at the center to improve maintenance convenience. In addition, chip removal screws have been applied to both sides of the table as a standard feature in order to handle the large amount of chips generated during the machining of aluminum parts. Also, a wide 15-inch Fanuc NC has been installed outside the table guard to enhance user convenience. So there you have the GVX 2430 as a vertical gantry-type router optimized for the diverse machining operations found on large battery pack trays of electric vehicles. It is the ideal choice for anyone seeking to enter the electric vehicle market. If you are interested in machining large aluminum parts for electric vehicles, the display industry, or large-size aluminum parts in general, please consult with DOOSAN Machine Tools today. Thank you.